Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm going to share with you how I make a hot aloe vera oil for hair growth. Now let's get started with this video. After washing my beautiful aloe vera leaf, I will cut the pointy part away and I will throw it away, and I will cut a small portion of my beautiful aloe vera leaf. Then I will take out the pointy part. Then I will cut this part in small little pieces. Now I will extract the aloe vera gel from each of those small pieces. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. And why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. If you're not comfortable using a knife, you are welcome to using a spoon or anything that you feel comfortable using to extract this aloe vera gel. Now I'm just trying to squeeze the aloe vera gel from the aloe vera that I just cut it in small pieces before I put it in the stove at low temperature. For today's hot oil, I'm going to use my favorite oil, which is coconut oil. So I'm going to pour a little coconut oil on the aloe vera gel and let it cook for a few minutes. You can use any of your favorite oil. The idea is just to use any oil that is good for your hair and mix it with the aloe vera gel. Now I'm going to let it cook for a few minutes. After 5 minutes, I will come to check on our aloe vera oil. As you can see, it's not done yet, but what I'm going to do, I'm just going to mix it up a little and then let it cook for a few more minutes. Let's check on our aloe vera oil. Ooh, it looks like it's done. So as you can see, the aloe vera changed color, is not clear anymore, it's a little bit pinkish. So this tells us that our aloe vera oil is good to go. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. And why not share this video with your friend, family, or anyone you know. Now let's turn off the fire and let this oil cool off for a few minutes. Now I'm going to separate the aloe vera gel from the oil, so I will need my strainer or bowl and a little container where I'm going to put the oil. This oil is not too hot, but it's not room temperature either, because I'm making this to do a hot oil treatment. Because I'm making this aloe vera oil for hot oil treatment, I'm going to add a little drop of peppermint oil. Here are the benefits of using peppermint oil on your hair. Now my hot oil is ready. Stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to show you how I use this hot oil. Thank you for watching this video. See you on our next video. Bye.